Hello everyone, let's start how we can render VDB in 3ds Max with the help of VRay. Inside Command Panel, select Create, and then inside Geometry, select VRay, then VrayVolumeGrid. Or you can select it from VRay toolbar. Click inside Viewport. You will see selection windows. You can choose any VDB files. You can download VDB files from internet. For this particular video, I'm using this website. Link is in the description. For this particular video, I'm downloading these clouds. Select No Presets while importing. You will be presented with point cloud data. This is the way of VRay to show the shape of VDB. To fill light in environment, we will be using VRay Dome Light. Select VRay Light, then choose VRay Dome from drop-down. Inside Dome, we will use HDRI map. You can download these HDRI from Polyheaven website. The link is in the description for now. I'm selecting this Pure View Sky. Let's render it. The render seems a little dark. We can increase the multiplier of HDRI. For a cloud, it's a little dark, so we have to work on VDB material. For changing the color, we can select VDB, then inside our command panel, we will look for rendering option, then volumetric options. Inside volumetric options, select smoke color and constant color. You can put these values according to you. For now, I am using off-white as we do not use pure white. For rendering, try not to use pure colors. Now you can create duplicates as much as you want to make a beautiful sky full of clouds. We have multiple clouds in this folder. Choose any one of them. The viewport is not updating. Let's restart the render. Now we can see it. It looks nice. Now you can render clouds, smokes, and any volumetrics. For this section, that's it. To be more creative, we can use the lighting setups as well. Like this. This is simple setup. I am using cool light for backlit and warm light as primary light and one drama light from the bottom. And this is a chamfered box for indirect light. Select VDB and any cloud you want. Select No Presets while importing. Position the VDB, or in this case, cloud, accordingly inside lights. You can set your own light setup. It is just for demonstration. I am using this abstract setup. You can download files if you want it from the links are available in description. Change the constant color accordingly. And now, let's render this. Looking good. You can play with the lighting as you want. You can go creative and crazy with it. I am unticking the Cast Shadow option inside the Object Properties of Background box, so I can use light from below the cloud. That's my setup. You can use as much lights as you want, any creative ideas you have. Let's render this, and here's the final result. I hope you have learned something new today. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.